the way United FC were playing today, the way, as you're saying, it was your plan to become more like just combat at the back. Does it mean Kaizer Chiefs were scared of attacking United FC all out?
Kaizer Chiefs were scared?
Does it mean Kaizer Chiefs were scared to attack United FC all out? Hence, maybe they just decided to sit back. That's the question.
Look, we were not scared, but we were respecting United. They didn't reach where they were, I mean, in the same as today, because, it was just a pushover whatsoever. But they've planned and they've worked very hard to be where they are. And we are a team that believes that each and every team that we play against, we give them a respect that they deserve. And we'll plan according. So we knew very well that they've got a lot of youngsters that are capable of combining in the middle, if not from the back. So we were not scared, but it's just that we just want to consolidate in terms of making sure that we don't leave any loopholes at the back and in the middle. So like I just said earlier on, that it was just a tactical approach. So we know we're not just scared, because there are a couple of teams that have been beaten because, they just played haphazardly. So we're just a team that plays according to our strength, and according to what we are going to be expecting come the day of the game. So we knew very well that United are a very good team in terms of, keeping possession and all that. But I think the boys did well.